So tonight we come together as a community for our annual disco night. We celebrate with our children and families, and this is a great opportunity for me to extend my thanks to our P&F for all they do for our students and the families.
Yes, and we'd also like to thank the staff at the school and all the P&F volunteers that we have. It's not a small effort to make all this come together. It's weeks of planning, booking DJs, organising food, dressing up, organising the theme. But most importantly, I think we just want the kids to have fun and bring all the family and staff and community together.
And practicing our dance moves.
That's right.